Message from the VPC Satna in Madhya Pradesh. Save Natur, save Futur. But who will save spelling?
Gloves, helmet, all the jars in one hand, tank bag in the other. One quick sweep of the room. Looks like everything is here. Nice shady elevator with buttons missing. Okay, thank you. Here's the bike. Everything except the tank bag is on, so I'm gonna just do that now. Alright, all loaded up, ready to go. I stayed at this place called Hotel Bagga in Jabalpur, and if you're ever here, do not stay here. The rooms are very average, the ACs do not work. Really bad experience staying over here, but anyway, that's done for now. Onward to Lucknow. By the way, I have to say that the new Timson tires have drastically improved ride quality. I think these tires do more for cushioning my ride than my shocks do in some ways. Ooh, nice. Whoa, this is cool. As we cross this heavily overloaded machine, you will spot the sunrise. Whoa! Look at that. What a beautiful sunrise. Oh man. Oh, this is beautiful.
In my book, there's no better time to be on a highway than at sunrise. The weather is at its nicest, the colors can be enchanting, and the highway often is at its quietest. Good vibes only.
Is it just me, or are these crickets incredibly noisy? I'm still somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, but things have changed drastically because I had to turn off National Highway 30. I'm now somewhere close to a place called Satna, Chitrakoot, then Rajapur, Raebareli, and then Lucknow. That's the route I'm taking. As you will see after this, the roads are now narrow, quite bad, lots of potholes, lots of village traffic, which means complete chaos, lots of cows, which is super dangerous. One, because of safety, and two, with the current thing in our country, you don't want to be bumping into cows. That's probably more dangerous than bumping into human beings. But yeah, so pace is going to be really slow today, I think. And I've done about 200, 300 something more to go. Need to keep moving. It's going to be like playing a video game now. Not in a good way, but because just about anything can happen on roads like these.
Hey, nice to see you wearing a helmet. The transition from national to state highway not only brought with it a need for a lot more attention to the road, but also for more navigation. Since several of the roads now looked similar, it was a bit of a task to ensure that I stayed on the correct route. Okay, we're officially now in Uttar Pradesh and I am kind of lost. Let's see. वैसे राजापुर का रास्ता कौन? सीधा
इधर आगे ओवर ब्रिज मिलेगा, ओवर ब्रिज से चढ़ जाना सीधा राजापुर के लिए रोड लगा.
Oh my god, what's going on here? Oh man, is this a, I don't know, what kind of highway is this? Is this a state highway? You've got like these massive trucks coming in both directions and very little road to use. Yeah, I get it, you got a cool horn. Hey, watermelon. Overtake one of them. Oh. Now what happens? Squeeze in the left. Oh, I'm going to have to learn the rules of riding in Uttar Pradesh. Clearly, it's a whole different ball game. Like currently, I don't know what exactly I'm supposed to do. I'm all the way in the left, and I think I'm blocking this truck. Thoda aage lijiye na. Who's going where, bro? There's a party going on in that auto rickshaw. Oh, look at that guy going in reverse, full speed. Whoa. Take it easy, bro. Jaya Mail. Where are you going, my friend? I'm escaping. A maze, just a maze. Every direction that they can go, they're going in. If my navigation is right, I should be crossing a bridge soon, which is a bridge over the river Yamuna. Every now and then, like when I stop after like every 100-150 kilometers, I just take a quick look at the maps and broadly see my route and sort of memorize some of it, remember a few names. Aha! Bridge over the Yamuna. But where is the Yamuna? Okay, there is the Yamuna. Whoa, this is actually quite beautiful. Very nice. This is actually, I think, probably one of the first times that I've seen the Yamuna, and it looks really nice. I've seen it near Agra and stuff, and it doesn't look that great, but the river looks quite nice over here. I don't know whether it's clean or not. While my progress was slower on these smaller highways, the ride itself was quite enjoyable. The tree-lined roads were a welcome change from the barren expressways I'd been on thus far. Needless to say, They offered significant respite from the heat. They also served as a reminder of a time when human development was possible without obliterating the surrounding environment. A time when coexistence was probably a greater priority. Lucknow is just 15 kilometers away, so sort of in the outskirts of the city now. Reaching Lucknow will complete phase 1 of this tour of two kingdoms as I see it, because it's the massive ride across. Okay, let's not speak too soon. I shall find a place to stay, park my bike, and then we will talk about completing anything.